This free tutorial will show you on how to compound footage in Capcut PC completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step 1. Assuming you have your video clips on the timeline in Capcut PC that you would like to compound completely for free. As you can see, we have a couple different video layers or clips. You want to click and select and highlight them on your video timeline by holding down and dragging your mouse. And then you want to right click, and as you can see, we have a couple different options in Capcut PC. You want to click the option underneath export selected clips, and above create multi-camera clip, create compound clip. And now as you can see, Capcut PC has successfully compounded your video clips completely for free.